Guess what, guys? Civic is back. The Honda Civic is back. New clutch has been fitted. This is the first warm-up it's getting after the clutch job. Gasket has been replaced and the housing replaced as well. The thermostat housing is replaced, sorry, after I broke that bolt. Fixed. It's running. It's getting warm. It's got a lot of yeah, it needs a bit of a clean. But anyway, now the next thing is just to clean this thing up. Look at all that. The mechanic left a bit of oil around this place. Look at the oil. I don't know why he left that there, but anyway, I don't know. Well, it's cold out here. Oh, it's super cold. Get this one out of there. Okay. Let's close this thing down. Actually, no. What I'll do is put that back. One thing that they did discover when they were working on the cars, on this car, is that they feel that the grounding, the earth wire, this one, it may not be sufficient for this car anymore. It might be too small. I mean, it might be dirty or broken somewhere. So I need to check this wire. I'm not sure it's good. The battery, they recommend getting a bigger battery that's more powerful. We'll see how it goes. Whew, it's cold. It's cold out here, guys. Oh, I'm gonna shut this thing down. Let this thing warm up. Okay. Whew. It's cold. Oh no. Oh no, look at that. I got a leak. I've got a leak. It must be a radiator. Can you guys see that? Oh, that's annoying. Well, guys, there we go. Guys, look at that. It's actually leaking from the housing that just got fixed. Oh, can you believe that? Ah, damn. He thought he fixed it nice, but he didn't fix it. Well, I'm glad it's that and not a radiator, because that would have been really bad. Damn, I wanted to go for a spin. Well, that kills the whole idea of going for a drive now. Oh. Alright, let's take the... Oh, damn it. It switched off. I thought it was going to keep running with the choke. Without the choke, I mean. Oh, here we go. The trouble is starting this car. I think it's right. There's definitely something wrong with the power going to the starter. The thermal fan is on. Boy. Well, I got some work to do tomorrow. I'm going to have to fix what they fixed as well. Come on. Start, you bastard. The temperature is just over halfway now, so it definitely needs some more water. Boy. Wonder what happened. I think what's happened is that he's put the wrong... I don't understand how he's done it. I don't understand what he's done wrong. I might have to make up a whole new gasket as well, because that one is definitely leaking. Alright, let's try now again. Come on. Once you get it going, it starts up quite easily, really. All right. Put that away. Worry about that tomorrow. Now this is the old clutch here that is changed. Let's have a look at that. Yeah, it looks quite old. It's got a new bear. He put the new bearing as well, so that's an old one there. Look at that. That is worn out. 1974. Look at that. There's hardly any material left, guys. Look at this. Hardly any material left. This is terrible. No wonder it wouldn't go. I wonder if the flywheel was damaged. Alright. I'm so glad he's changed that. I wouldn't have done it myself. It was gonna be too much work for me to do, and I didn't have a place to do it. Oh, it's time for a drink, a warm drink. I'm really wanting to go for a spin around the block. Put that away. Let's try the heater to see if it works, because it is freezing in here now. I can feel the temperature, the air coming from underneath. Now, I know these ones are not vented to the fan. It's only gonna come up through here. Diff room. Okay, room. I can feel it down there. What about up there? How do you get it up there? Oh, it's defrost. Oh, okay, alright. Huh? I'm still not getting much heat up here, but I'm getting more heat down there. Doesn't make sense. Room. Yeah, it's mildly warm, not enough warmth. There's probably not enough water in the system. It hasn't been bled, I think. Oh, come on. How do I get into gear? I'm having a bit of trouble finding reverse here. Oh, I'm in third. Okay, let's go to 1. Gear 1. I better buckle up. Ooh, it's grabby. It's quite grabby. Park here on the grass. Ooh. Okay. Interesting. We moved. How many meters? Maybe 10 meters, 20 meters actually. Whew. Alright, alright. Alright, I'm in second gear, guys. Whew. We're moving, we're in second gear. The heat has not built up in here still. It's still getting, it's mildly warm. Alright. The brakes are not very good, so I have to be very slow and gentle on the brakes. All right. Oh, well. Had a little bit of fun there. All right. 4 gears. Now it just needs to be serviced. Do a bit more checks, make sure the brake fluid is there, because I'm a bit suspicious with the brakes. They're not the best right now, so I have to give them a good check over and top up the coolant, make sure it doesn't overheat, because that temperature is still up in a bit of a high range. Shouldn't be that high. And then so what I'll do is I'll probably allow it to cool down a little bit, then come back later and fill up the coolant a bit more, make sure it's full, then try again. I wonder if this thing will work today. Oh, pulled the wrong one.
Tomorrow, top of 17. It's 5 o'clock. Good evening. I'm Gal Watson. Police have made